Okay, I want to quickly go over this question this was practice question number 3, and this is the original graph of x cubed, and the problem asked you which graph would match with 2x cubed. So because we have the coefficient of 2, and 2 is greater than 1, it's not a fraction, we know this is going to be a vertical stretch. And we're going to multiply the y-coordinate by 2. So right here the y-coordinate is 1, and to get the correct answer we're just going to multiply the y-coordinate by 2. So that is the correct answer. I think the most common mistake will probably be multiplying the x-coordinate by 2. So maybe some of you chose the option that looked like this, but just keep in mind that since it's a vertical stretch, vertical is going to be along the y-axis, the up and down. So it's going to stretch the y-coordinate by 2. And that would be the correct graph. Hope this is helpful.